Hey everyone, today I will be guiding you on how to cover any song using any voice with free AI tools. This incredible toolset allows us to convert any song into a rendition by different celebrity voices, giving you the power to create AI cover songs that are truly unique. Now, before we get too carried away with the possibilities, it is important to address a few key points. Due to the complex world of copyright and intellectual property, I regret to inform you that I won't be able to use the big hits and famous songs you are accustomed to hearing on the radio or streaming platforms. However, don't be disheartened. I have chosen a song that is not subjected to copyright restrictions but is still an absolute gem. It is a fantastic piece that will demonstrate the magic of these AI tools. Following this, I will walk you through the steps of extracting vocals and instrumentals using a complementary AI vocal remover, after which you can select your favorite celebrity to perform the song on your behalf. But before we dive in, if you are keen on staying updated about the latest AI tools and how to utilize them effectively, this channel is the perfect resource for you. We regularly provide updates and instructional videos on harnessing AI tools in today's world. Remember to please hit that subscribe button. Your support enables us to continue creating content like this. Now, let us get started. To begin, let us introduce the song that I have selected for a celebrity to lend their vocal charm to. I have a personal fondness for this track, and it got me thinking, how incredible would it be to hear this beloved song performed by a famous celebrity? With that in mind, let us dive into the process. First things first, we need to obtain the song, and I will walk you through how to do it. You can start by conducting a simple Google search for YouTube to MP3. You will find a variety of online tools and services that can assist in converting a YouTube video into an audio format. It is not crucial which specific website you use, as long as it gets the job done and allows you to download the song. However, if you are curious about my choice, I'll be using this particular website. Moving on to the next stage, our objective is to extract the vocals from the instrumental music using a free AI vocal remover. For this task, we have chosen to utilize the platform known as vocalremover.org. Here is how it is done. You simply need to click on the Browse My File button to upload the song we obtained earlier. Once it is done, you will need to patiently wait for the process to run its course. Now, the key here is to obtain only the vocal track. To achieve this, I will instruct you to mute the music by setting its volume to 0, and at the same time, increase the vocal volume. Once these adjustments are in place, all that is left is to click on Vocal, and the file containing only the vocals will be promptly saved to your computer. Now that we have our chosen song all set, it is time to embark on the exciting journey of transforming our vocals into the voice of a well-known celebrity or even a custom voice artist. To access a wide array of celebrity voices, you will want to head over to app.kits.ai. Begin by visiting the website and locate the sign in button. You can easily log in using your Google account credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate your way to the page dedicated to royalty-free music. Here, you will have the privilege of selecting a celebrity voice that suits your creative endeavor. Take your time to explore and listen to available voice options. Should you not find the specific celebrity voice you are seeking, there is no need to fret. Click on the Community section, where you will stumble upon AI celebrity voices contributed by the community and offered free of charge. If you are in search of someone like Justin Bieber, you can expedite your request by using the handy search function. Once you have located your desired AI celebrity voice, it's a good idea to opt for the one with the most users or hearts, ensuring a higher quality result. To seamlessly integrate the selected celebrity voice into your project, hit the Add or Drop Audio File button. If you're looking to fine-tune or further customize the voice, delve into the Advanced Settings menu. When you are content with your choices, a single click on the convert button will work its magic and generate your new AI vocal. This systematic process empowers you to maximize the potential of the celebrity voices available through app.kits.ai. Now, you might be wondering what comes next. Well, here is the best part. The waiting time is less than a minute, or slightly more depending on your internet speed. Once the conversion process is complete, the download button awaits your click, ready to provide you with your freshly generated AI voice. Furthermore, if you are feeling creative, you can even use this voice to craft a video by clicking on the video icon adjacent to the download button. But before we continue, let us take a moment to savor the results. Let us listen to our AI's rendition of a new Justin Bieber song.
Genial, genial, it's all that's news. You and me are the show. They're all that's news.
What are your thoughts? Does it bear a resemblance to Justin Bieber's voice? I must say, I find it rather impressive. To conduct a further examination, let us explore the capabilities of this AI tool with a different artist. We will navigate back to the community section once more. If you happen to be acquainted with BTS, we will make an attempt to replicate the distinctive voice of Jungkook. The process remains unchanged. Upload the audio, make adjustments as needed, and proceed with the conversion. Once the process is complete, you have the option to download the outcome or give it a listen.
Genial, genial, it's all that's news. You and me are the show. They're all that's news.
Remarkable, isn't it? It genuinely echoes Jungkook's voice. It is fairly straightforward, isn't it? The prospect of witnessing various artists interpreting each other's songs is intriguing. However, owing to copyright limitations on platforms like YouTube, we are using copyright-free music. Nonetheless, if you are keen on hearing your preferred artist cover another artist's song, just follow the identical steps I have shown you. The process remains consistent. Isn't it incredible to witness the rapid evolution of AI technology? Just envision the ongoing development of these tools, and it is entirely possible that we will reach a point where distinguishing AI-generated voices from real ones becomes nearly impossible. This prospect is undeniably fascinating, but it also carries a touch of apprehension. We recognize the immense potential for AI to bring about benefits, but it is equally vital to acknowledge the potential risk it presents. Now, I am eager to hear your thoughts on these AI-generated voices. Do they successfully capture the essence of the original artist? Did their resemblance surprise you? I am genuinely interested in your opinions on whether this platform represents a positive or negative step forward. So please take a moment to share your comments below. Thank you for tuning in into this tutorial on creating AI cover songs. If you haven't already, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could subscribe to our channel to stay updated with content related to the world of AI. Also, please don't forget to show your support by liking and sharing this video. Your engagement helps sustain our work. I hope this video has been informative, and I eagerly look forward to connecting with you in our upcoming content. See you in our next video.